What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. Well, little off topic, but hey, well worth it. You see, over on my Instagram account, I'm about to hit 4,000 subscribers. And well, I'm planning another giveaway. If you're not over there on my Instagram account, you're missing out. So, today, I'm going to start highlighting the companies that have decided to sponsor the giveaway that's going to be going on when I hit 4,000 subscribers. First up is beard care. A lot of you guys are starting to grow out your facial hair. That's a good thing. So, beard care. First up, Curam Nadurtha. Their name means natural care in Irish Gaelic. They sent me their Cinnamon Dream to try out. It has scents of vanilla, orange zest, and cardamom. The one that they sent me to give away is their Forbidden Forest. It has scents of lavender, sandalwood, crisp pine, and smoky cedarwood. We're going to go ahead and test out the Cinnamon Dream and see if it truly does have that scent. So I'm first trying out the beard oil. Put a couple drops in my hand and now rubbing it into my beard. I can definitely smell the oil, the orange peel. It definitely smells very orangey. I can definitely now pick up the vanilla. Smells pretty good. Now we're going to move over to the beard balm butter. Comes capped. The other one came with a wrapper over top of it, but I took it off so it can speed up the process. Put a little in your hands, start rubbing it in. I'm going to go ahead and use my beard comb, my hot brush. And there we go. Looking good, smelled very well. Love the scents. Wife smelled them right out the bottle the other day when we got them in. Loves them. She even said they'd smell good as a candle. So, very impressed. I'm going to leave their contact information down below. You can find them on Instagram. They have a website. So, hit them up. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a good day.